Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Baseus Magnetic Mini Air. Now this is a 10,000 milliamp wireless fast charging power bank. You can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is originally $35, but as of right now, this is on sale for $22.79. I repeat, $22.79. Let's go through the specs real quick. Now this one comes in black, blue, purple, and white. The battery capacity is 10,000 milliamps. Now this features 20 watt power delivery, and at 10,000 milliamps, that means you could charge an iPhone 15 Pro Max almost twice, and you could fast charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. So this is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Let's unbox it and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. Okay, here we go. The Baseus Magnetic Mini Air. Slim and compact. Okay, 10,000 milliamps, 20 watt PD. Okay, let's see. Do I need a little unboxing knife for this one? Why not? Here we go. Right. Okay, West Side Story. Let's see what you get inside. Now, of course, you get your usual books and shit. Let's plug them and file them. But, of course, we got to take a look at the Baseus troll stickers. Check this out. Comes with these on deck. Tight shoes. You got USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Okay. Not that long, giggity. Shoes, respect that for quality. And this is going to be your 10,000 milliamp power bank. Right. Check this out. 20 watt power delivery on this. Okay, shoes, back up a little bit. On the bottom, you got your power button. You got your 3 battery level LED indicator. And this one right here, the last LED, this is going to let you know whether you're using wired charging or wireless charging. Okay, and this is USB Type-C. So let's grab a phone, slap this on. Check that out. You got your MagSafe animation, and you see the orange light? That means it's charging up wirelessly. Simple and effective tech, okay? Now, you do have USB Type-C, so you can do pass-through charging. Let me grab another charger. Let's see what I got on deck right here. Grab a little cable, and check this out. Okay, so we're going to turn this off. Now, the battery life on this is already full, but we'll plug this in. As you can see, it's charging up. See when the light's flashing like that? Now let's go ahead and drop this on. And there it is. We're getting pass-through charging. So that means you're charging up your phone and the power bank at the same time. This is pretty dope. I never travel without these kind of products. And just in case you got a Galaxy or a Pixel, any device that you got a MagSafe case with, you can slap this on and get your wireless charge. That is pretty dope. Now, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, let's grab a little cable. Okay, let's see if we could charge 2 devices at the same time. So I'm going to use a USB Type-C. We're going to plug in the iPhone. Okay, that's charging up. And now let's drop this on the back of the Galaxy. And that's charging up. So as you can see, charge 2 devices at the same time for $22.79. As Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Simple and effective tech, must-have travel accessory, the Baseus Magnetic Mini Air. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a triple major go. Now, one quick side note, okay? Let me talk about 2 of my other favorite chargers. The Baseus Blade 2. Now, when I did the video for this one, a lot of people didn't understand what this charger is about. This one is all about the thinness. Okay, now, you seen the original Baseus Blade? This is a beast right here. Look, you got real USB-A ports and USB Type-C with a digital display. This is a big boy, but it's twice as heavy and twice as thick. The whole purpose of this one has a nice display, and this one has the app. The purpose of this one is the thinness. Now, when I traveled, I had my Samsung Galaxy Book. That's the thinnest laptop that I have. I had that in my bag and this in my bag, and my laptop bag is only this thick. And it wasn't even that heavy. So you got a bunch of dope Baseus portable chargers, but at $22.79, this is official tissue. Now, I want to see one more thing. Let me go ahead and plug this in. Let's hit the charger. Start charging this up. Okay. Hit the button. You see? Turn it on. Charging up. This is so dope. Now I'm going to do one more. Let's try. There it is. Okay, so we're charging the iPhone and the Galaxy, as you can see. All right, charging two devices at the same time. You can have your two phones in your bag and rock out just like this. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so I want to show you one more thing. Look at the magnet strength. Lift your phone right off the table. Now remember, this is 20 watt output, 18 watt input. And you see that orange light? That means it's charging up wirelessly. If I unplug that, we'll grab the cable. Let's get and plug this in. We'll plug in a phone. No orange light. That means it's charging using a wire. $22.79. This is the go. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Baseus Magnetic Mini Air a major go. And at $22.79, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. It's slim and compact. You got 20 watt power delivery, excellent strength on the magnet. You got pass-through charging, so you can charge your device and the power bank at the same time, and you can charge two devices at the same time. Simple and effective tech. Perfect for travel. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, want to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.